Hyper AI text to video. In this video, we're going to be talking about Hyper AI and how you're going to use this incredible platform for yourself to create the best text to videos out there. Now, Hyper AI is an incredible AI in the world of AI right now. And as you can see, it says transforming your visions into reality on a constant. It's a brand new AI generation engine that allows you to create any type of video that you require through a text. Now, when you come over to their main page, as you can see, this is what it looks like. Now, over here, they create all these different types of, videos, and they have this gallery of people that have created different prompts. Now, all of these are created using Hyper AI. Now, if you want to create something for yourself, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here on text to video, and you're going to describe any video. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and just write in Rambo. You're going to choose your settings. You can also choose the AI bot that you want to use, and you're simply going to click on create. And once you click on create, as you can see, it starts generating your video on the go. And it doesn't take a lot of time. As you can see, the generation is quite rapid, and it should be generated in, I think, hardly around a minute or two. And that's the most that it takes, obviously, depending on your prompt. Generally, the whole generation part is quite quick, and it shouldn't take you a lot of time. So once this is generated, let me show you what it basically looks like. Now, as you can see, here is our generation. So we added Rambo, and let's see what it looks like. So as you can see, that's an image of an AI Rambo holding a gun, and it's quite high quality. And obviously, if I added a bigger prompt, it would have created something even better. So basically, that's the main idea of Hyper AI and how you're going to use it for yourself. So that's pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.